Negative thoughts do not usually enter your life with noise or shouting. They come quietly with simple sentences like, "Be realistic," "You can't do it," or "Later, now is not the right time." Maybe you know this voice too. The voice that appears just before you start something important, before action, before a decision, before change. A voice that always sounds logical and always stops you. She was an ordinary girl, not lazy, not untalented, not without goals, just someone who thought too much and listened to her thoughts more than she should. At first, negative thoughts only warned her. They said, "Be careful." Then they said, "Don't take risks." And very soon they said, "Don't start at all." She had dreams, but every time she imagined one, her mind showed her a list of failures, judgments, and "what if it doesn't work?" The dreams were still there, but she stopped taking them seriously. Negative thoughts do not always come with emotion. They come with logic, with numbers, comparisons, and stories of other people. That is why they are so hard to fight. She chose the safe path, not because she loved it, but because her thoughts said other paths were dangerous. Her life was calm, but inside, something felt more empty every day. She was always planning to live later, after this age, after this job, after these conditions. She did not see that later is one of the favorite tools of negative thoughts. Every time she doubted her path, her mind compared her to others, people who were ahead, people who looked more successful. And the result was always the same: you are not enough. One day, she felt tired. Not tired of work, not tired of people, tired of fighting with her own mind, tired of continuing a life she never chose. That was when she understood something painful. Negative thoughts do not steal the future all at once. They steal it slowly, decision by decision, with your own agreement. The most dangerous part was this: those thoughts sounded like her own voice. They sounded like the truth. But they were only old fears, wearing logical clothes. Every time she listened to them, she lost something: an opportunity, an experience, or a version of herself that never had a chance to exist. Change did not start with a big decision. It started with one small doubt. What if this is just a thought, not a fact? That question made the first crack in the wall of her mind. She understood she could not stop negative thoughts from coming, but she could stop them from giving orders. She could listen and choose not to obey. Her future was not destroyed. It was only waiting. Behind every "you can't," behind every "don't do it," waiting for the moment she chose again. Maybe this is not just the story of one girl. Maybe it is the story of anyone who has lived for years but chosen too little. And the truth is this: if you do not challenge your negative thoughts, they will quietly steal a future you never get the chance to live.
If you enjoyed this story, subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. These stories help you grow your English skills and your mind. Subscribe and join us to make progress step by step. Stay tuned for more stories.